So going over the deadlifting technique to help make the exercise a lot more effective. As I was saying, the most important thing that we really want to think about is actually generating more tension or taking up the slack through the body. So the first thing that we want to do is when we grip the bar, we want to grip the bar very hard, because just the simple act of gripping the bar really engages the body through your hands. And then after that, we want to really pull down through the lats especially. So it's almost a question of pulling the bar and bending the bar around you. This really engages the lats, and through the lats, through their attachment in the the thoracolumbar fascia, I should say, onto the pelvis, this really stiffens the torso up, such that when you actually start lifting, all the upward movement is upward movement. You don't, the torso doesn't bend, so you're not losing anything there. And as we come down into the lower body, we want to make sure that the hamstrings are tight through the full length. So if you sit down on it too much, what that does is it means that in behind the knee, there's actually a little bit of slack, which means there's more stress placed on the attachment at the pelvis itself. This can create a lot of stress through the sacrotuberous ligament into the sacrum, up into the lumbar spine. So if we allow the hips to come up a bit when we set up, this actually ensures that there's tension right through the hamstrings, and then from there up through the ligaments and into the tension goes right up into the upper body, say through the thoracolumbar fascia, which just creates a nice stiff posterior chain really, and allows for a much cleaner lift, much better distribution of forces, and should mean that all your effort actually goes into upward movement rather than any bending anywhere, and much more evenly distributes the stresses across the body.